Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making one pot chicken and rice. I'm going to serve it with a mouth-watering sauce and crunchy salad. This is one of the best recipes for chicken and rice that you're gonna try. We're going to cook chicken and rice together, then we're gonna take out the chicken and finish it in the oven. We're gonna make our sauce with beautiful coriander, mint, chili, yogurt, and then we're gonna have some really nice salad. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. In a bowl you want to add in the rice. Here I've got 3 cups of rice. So that's my first cup, second and third cup. These are Sella Basmati rice, okay? They are a bit more longer than the traditional Basmati rice. So you want to soak this rice in lukewarm water. How long you gonna soak it for? You want to soak the normal basmati for half an hour, but this one is Sella basmati, so this is gonna take around an hour and a half to 2 hours, okay? And then we're gonna wash them, remove the excess starch and drain the excess water. Get a mortar and pestle, add in the ginger and crush that. I'm just gonna throw in some green chilies and we're gonna keep crushing this. Remove that onto a plate. Mortar and pestle again, add in the garlic and crush this into a fine paste. Remove this onto a plate as well. Alright, so our tomatoes, garlic, onions, ginger and green chili done. Or first of all, turn up the heat to medium high. We're gonna add in the oil. How much oil you wanna add? You wanna add around 4 big tablespoons of this. So that's 1. Now let the oil get nice and hot. Now in with the onions. Give this a slight mix. We just want a bit of the color on these onions. So not too dark. Cover the onions while they're cooking. You would just soften them a bit. Onions are getting light brown. Once the onions have a nice light brown color, as you can see, we're gonna throw in our garlic and give that a mix. Now just cook the rawness of the garlic as well. This should take you another 2 minutes. Now if you see anything is burning, you can add a touch of water always. So the garlic is nice and brown as well, and it's completely cooked. I'm just gonna add in our ginger and green chili and the tomato. Give that a mix. And just cover for a few minutes so the tomatoes get softer. Alright, let's check that. Tomatoes are nice and soft now. In that we're gonna add in our whole spices. Here I've got bay leaves, caraway seeds, cassia bark, black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves and black peppercorns. I'm also going to add in our ground spices, red chili, garam masala, cumin powder, red chili flakes and a bit of salt. A touch of water and give that a mix. Just cook the rawness of the spices for a minute. Nothing burns because I've added a touch of water. Now I've got here chicken legs, I'm just gonna throw them in. Just mix them in the mixture. Cover this for 3 minutes. The chicken has released some water. Now add in the water. How much water you want to add? For every cup of rice you want to add 1.5 cups of water and a half cup extra. Just give this a mix. Alright, so now listen up. We're just gonna cover this and let this cook for around 15 minutes. Okay Google, set the timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes, and we're starting now.
Let's check this. So the chicken is almost done. What we're gonna do now is just remove this chicken. Alright, so now in that, we're gonna add in our rice. Carefully throw them. Now these were soaked in water, as I said before, and they have been washed. The excess starch has been removed. All good to go. Give this a mix. We're gonna bring these rice to simmer. And we're gonna let them cook until there is little water left on the top. Oh, smells amazing, trust me. Just cover it. Add a good touch of oil in that. A pinch of saffron in that. And paprika powder. Give that a mix. Grab the roasting tray and add in your chicken. Now you want to add that paprika and saffron oil onto your chicken. It's gonna add a beautiful color and aroma. It's also gonna make the skin a bit crispier. Now, it's not a problem, you can get the chicken without the skin, but I think with the skin it just keeps a bit more juicier. Beautiful. Now this goes in the oven at 230 Celsius. Let's check the rice. Give them a mix. So the water is evaporating. There's a little bit of water left. And when there is some water left on the top, as you can see, I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of cumin seeds on the top, just like so. Also, this is optional, but I'm just gonna add a bit of the natural food coloring. I'm just gonna leave here a bit. Okay, that's perfect. At this point of time, you just want to cover it with a clean kitchen cloth. Add in the lid. Make sure it's nice and tight. And we're gonna turn the heat to very low heat. Now let this steam up for around 12 to 15 minutes. Alright, let's check the rice. Bismillah. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful. Just turn off the heat now. With the help of a fork, just fluff that off. The rice looks gorgeous. Look at that. Our chicken is done as well. It's a beautiful color. Just gonna show you. Look at that. Beautiful. For the sauce, we're gonna blend in some ingredients first. In with coriander. And we go here some fresh mint. I think I need a bigger blender for this. Alright, now in with the green chili. You can add more or less depending on your heat levels. Throw in a good pinch of salt. Cumin for some really earthy flavor. Now you will need some tablespoons of water to blend this, obviously. So this is around 3 to 4 tablespoons. Alright, let's cover this up. Need to switch it on first. Here we go. Alright, so you want to blend this until it's nice and smooth. Now grab a bowl, in with yogurt. This is plain yogurt, by the way. Open our sauce here. Add it in. All of it. Now with the help of a spoon, just give this a mix. Bring everything together. As you can see, it's a bit thicker, right? So what you can do is, you can add a touch of milk or water. You know, just adjust the consistency like you want it. Now again, what you want to do is, you just want to check for some seasoning. Just needs a bit more salt. So our beautiful sauce is done. Now let's taste. Wow. Alright, so for our salad, I'm gonna add in the carrots, thinly sliced, red cabbage. Again, this was thinly sliced. In with the cucumber, onions, and tomatoes. Just give that a slight mix. Once you have mixed that, just add finely chopped coriander or parsley if you don't like coriander. It just adds that beautiful aroma. Again, give this a slight mix, just a little bit. Alright, so that looks great. If you want, you can season it with a bit of the salt and the pepper and a bit of the lemon wedges. You can add those in as well. So it's best what you do now is you don't squeeze the lemon juice all over. You just leave it till the end. When you are to serve your food, you know, just serve these lemon wedges along with them. And it's best to season then as well. And I would also add a bit of the extra virgin olive oil when I'm about to serve it. It really adds that flavor. Let's plate up our rice. Add in the rice first. Oh, look at that beauty. Add in the chicken. My beautiful chicken and rice done. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this delicious chicken and rice. Let's try the chicken first. I washed my hands, so I'm gonna eat with my hands today. So bismillah. Let's try this chicken first. So delicious and so juicy. Let's try this rice now. The flavor of cardamom, black pepper, so delicious. The rice has strong flavor of chicken. It really goes well together with the sauce, salad, and the chicken. Alhamdulillah, it's so good. One of the best recipes for chicken and rice. I will let you decide. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and inshallah I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.